You get life. Everybody dies. You know that. Everybody dies. If it's the corona or not, everybody dies. Everybody dies. That's the only thing that's really happening. You get life. Everybody dies. You know that. Everybody dies. If it's the corona or not, everybody dies. Everybody dies. That's the only thing that's really happening.
Get off your car.
Bastard. I hope you die.
Thanks for watching.
So this woman decides to get on a plane and spit and cough on people because she feels like, hey, everyone's going to die. I'm spitting on all y'all. I'm going down. We all going down. I don't know what she thought. I don't know if this is a hoax, a distraction, something fake, or just someone being an a-hole, because I have seen this several times. I've seen this a couple times. I remember when me and my daughter was at Kroger once, honey, this woman wanted to be a busy itch and decides that she wants to just start coughing behind us. And she did it so, she did it with such anger. That woman was so mean. She was just looking at us like, look at those people. I don't like them one bit. Like, because we looked back and someone was walking behind us, once we looked at her, she starts coughing. I mean, if you could see the whole body language, it would make you want to slap somebody. So since then, I have realized that I need to carry something around that I can spray on a mother effer. Let me spray a mofo down next time they do that. So I decided to bring some spray for the next time anybody try me. And the face mask things is definitely even better. You can have that with the regular mask. Works. Why not? Genius. What would you guys do if this happened to you? Let me know right down here in the comment section. Centro DeSanto, over and out. Have a wonderful week. Bye.